Hello. My face is a little red. It's the last wedding of the season up at Sylvan. Snowy outside, as you can see, and it looks a lot different now, the end of the season. Ooh, spinning around. Than it normally does. Just a few notes real quick about this facility. We've had some requests this year for people that are wanting to do a lot of changing up of how things are laid out, and we are always totally down to kind of talk to you about how layouts are and why we do what we do. But one thing that we've noticed this year is that we've had more people requesting to do their dancing behind me on the fireplace area. And I'm gonna spin around one more time. You can see that they do have this great dance floor area back here. One nice thing about this is that the bar is right here, and there's a great spot for your DJ to set up right there behind me. And when you scoot down, and it's nice and big and it's out of the way. When you scoot down and start having your dance down here, you're starting to put a lot of stress on this space for a couple reasons. One, your buffet is there. Two, the kitchen is right here. So the whole time that you're dancing, the kitchen staff is probably going to be bussing tables, are going to be going back and forth in and out of there, being in the disruptive of your guests. And again, the bar is on that end. So when songs end and when your DJ, when there's a break and everything, your guests are going to beeline it down to get drinks at the other end of the room and then have to run back to that end of the room, and it's going to leave your dance floor kind of empty a lot of the evening, and that's the thing you really don't want. It also provides a little bit of a sticky wicket for the DJ to set up, because some of them can't set up everything and they might be moving equipment in later. They're going to be set off to the side, and the reality of it is your dance floor area is a lot smaller down here. So not that it can't be done, and not that we don't want to encourage you to try new things, but sometimes it is wise to listen to the people that do this the most. And I've talked to DJs, I've talked to facility people, we've been doing this a long time. And we usually aren't giving you advice just because we want to give you advice. We're giving you advice because we have experience and we kind of know how parties flow. We hear from other guests what they don't like about parties, and we want to give you the best party that you can possibly have. So I've worked in this space when the bathroom was up there, the fireplace on the second floor, the fireplace didn't exist, the fluorescent tubes on the ceiling. I've seen this place go through a lot of changes in the 15 years I've been decorating up here, so I do have some experience and know a little bit what I'm talking about. So we look forward to talking to you about your next great Sylvan event. Thanks. Have a great time.